माय यूट्यूब चैनल एट लर्निंग हब। आज की इस वीडियो में हम एक ऐसे ऑर्गन के बारे में पढ़ेंगे जिसके बगैर इंसान का जिंदा रहना मुश्किल ही क्या नामुमकिन है। गैस करें ऐसा कौन सा ऑर्गन है जिसके बगैर इंसानी जिंदगी का होना बहुत मुश्किल है। लेट्स कम टू आवर टॉपिक। तो वो ऑर्गन है ह्यूमन हार्ट। लेट्स मूव टू आवर टॉपिक, that is human heart. What is heart? Heart is a muscular organ that pumps the blood in a human body. Heart एक ऐसा organ है जो कि body में blood को pump करता है. Let's talk about the location of heart. What is the location of heart? It is located behind the chest bone, which is known as sternum. Or we can say that it is located behind the sternum and it is protected by rib cage. What is the size of the heart? The size of the heart is about the size of the human fist. Human fist means मुक्का. इंसानी मुक्के के एक बराबर heart का size होता है. When we talk about the membrane of the heart, the membrane of heart is known as pericardium membrane. जिस तरह हमने पढ़ा है कि किडनी की मेम्ब्रेन को पेरिटोनियम मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं, लंग्स की मेम्ब्रेन को पिल्यूरल मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं, हार्ट की मेम्ब्रेन को पेरिकार्डियम मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं. ये मेम्ब्रेन हार्ट को जर्क्स, शॉक्स से बचाती है. एंड दिस मेम्ब्रेन पजेस a pericardial fluid which protects the heart from the shocks and jerks. हर sensitive organ के around एक membrane होती है जो कि उसको shocks and jerks से protect करती है. When we talk about the chambers of human heart possesses the 4 chambers: left atrium, right atrium, left ventricles and right ventricles. Let's move towards the working process of heart, how the human heart works. Let's move. This is the labeled diagram of the human heart. Before starting the working process of the human heart, we have to know some key points. Key points में सबसे पहला बहुत ज़रूरी key point है veins carry blood towards the heart. Veins जो हैं वो blood heart की तरफ लेके आती हैं from the all body parts. Arteries carry blood away from the heart. Arteries carry blood from the heart and take towards the all body parts. These are the 2 main key points for understanding the working process of heart. These are the pulmonary veins that are only veins that carry oxygenated blood from the lungs and transport it into the left chambers of the heart. There are 4 valves in the human heart. First 2 valves located on the right side, that are the tricuspid valve between the right atrium and the right ventricle, and there is the pulmonary valve, and on the left side there are again 2 valves which are the mitral valve or the bicuspid valve between the left atrium and the left ventricle, and the aortic valve which is located on the left chamber. Let's start the working process of the human heart. Deoxygenated blood from the all body parts move towards the right chamber of the heart through the superior and the inferior vena cava. Superior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the superior body parts like head, chest, brain, etc. And the inferior vena cava collects the deoxygenated blood from the inferior body parts like legs, abdomen, foot, etc. These vena cavas promotes the deoxygenated blood into the right chamber of the heart, into the right atrium. When the right atrium contracts, the blood pushes into the right ventricle through the tricuspid valve. When the right ventricle contracts, the blood enters into the pulmonary valve, and from the pulmonary valve, the deoxygenated blood goes to the pulmonary artery, and from the pulmonary artery, the blood goes to the lungs for oxygenation. And here the bloods become oxygenated. Now the oxygenated blood comes into the pulmonary veins, which transfer this blood into the left chamber of the heart, into the left atrium. Through the left atrium, the oxygenated blood enters into the left ventricle through the mitral valve or the bicuspid valve. When the left ventricle contracts, the blood enters into the aortic valves, and from the aortic valves, the oxygenated blood enters into the aorta. And from the aorta, the small arteries are divided, and these arteries supply oxygenated blood to the all body parts. Here, the working process of the heart ends. There are some another key points that the heart beats 72 times per minute, and the sound of heart is the lub and dub. And in 24 hours, 115,000 beats occur per day. Just think about it, that the heart is the precious organ given by the Allah Almighty. So here I will conclude my lecture. I hope you all will like this video and understand the concepts about how human heart works and how it is very precious and important for the healthy life. Inshallah, we'll meet you soon in the next video.